Ethiopia. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Ethiopia, the land where the gods and the goddess love to be. Today it's so painful to see we're destroying our great unity. Sons and daughters of Sheba, children of Abyssinia, who share the pride of Africa and the world all over. Our kings are from King David's roots. Our mothers were the sweetest fruits. So don't forget your foundation, never forget your roots. Ethiopia, the land where the gods and the goddess love to be. Today it's so painful to see we're destroying our great unity. Sons and daughters of Sheba, children of Abyssinia, who share the pride of Africa and the world all over. Come on, come on, what's all this conflict about? Come on, come on, it's time we work things out. The Solomonic dynasty will be restored as long as the sun and the moon and the stars endure. Ethiopia, the land where the gods and the goddess love to be. Today it's so painful to see we're destroying our great unity. Sons and daughters of Sheba, children of Abyssinia, who share the pride of Africa and the world all over. The sun shall shine over Ethiopia forever, forever and ever and ever. The sun shall shine over Ethiopia forever, forever and ever and ever. Xavier Amalak, Fakad.